Want to get rid of double chin or facial fat? I have got 3 easy exercises which help you in getting rid of double chin and your facial fat. Hey guys, namaste. How are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to share 3 simple yoga exercises that will help you in getting rid of your facial fat and double. So I would say there is no spot reduction exercise. You can't simply work out on one part of your body. When you do exercise or you do yoga or some other physical activity, your entire body works out. So the yoga asana that I'm going to share you, that not only work out on your facial area, it also gives workout throughout your body. And please people, remember, there is no shortcut. Definitely there is no shortcut. You will have to work, you need to have dedication in getting rid of whatever the problems you have. Please follow this exercise for next 21 days and you can see a massive change on your facial fat and reduction of your double chin. I definitely guarantee that, but you need to be dedicated. And apart from doing what are the other exercises, you please continue doing this. There will be definitely massive change in your facial fat, and you can see lots of changes. Most importantly, your face start glowing by doing these exercises. And doing this for 15 minutes a day will give you very good results. So guys, before we start, I want you to do 2 things for me. 1, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, and click on the bell icon for all video updates. Also, look at the top, there is one link flashing up. If you have issues with your knee pain and you want to get rid of it, that is where I have shared 3 simple yoga exercises which can help you from getting rid of knee pain, and it is instant relief. I must tell you, it is instant relief. Please go check that. Also, follow those exercises and you will be out of knee pain for throughout your life. You will never experience. Alright, so the next one is, before we start doing this exercise, whatever I'm going to tell you, the 3 yoga asana, I would request please do basic warm up and start doing this asanas, else you may tend to hurt your shoulders or arms or your back. So please, we don't want that to happen. Please do some basic warm-ups and start doing this. Also, you can include these asanas along with your daily physical activity, whatever you are doing. If you are going to gym or some other exercises you have included in your day-to-day life, you can add this as part of your physical activity routine. This will give you very good result. Also, please stay connected till the end. I'm gonna share one simple tip that will help you in faster reduction of your facial fat and double chin. Also, that if you are in weight loss program, this simple tip will help you in faster result. Alright, so let's get started.
First asana is Ustrasana. Stand straight on your knees, maintaining maximum of 1 feet gap. Inhale and slowly roll your right hand back and reach until your anklet and hold it. Now gradually roll your left hand and reach until your anklet and hold it. Stay in this position as long as you can, continuing normal breathing. Once you want to release from this position, slowly lift your hands one after the other. While exhaling, come back to the normal position. Now relax. Repeat this asana for at least 5 to 7 to 11 times. The second asana is Bhujangasana, which is Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach and place your forehead on the floor. You can have your feet together or hip width apart. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. Now inhale, start lifting your head and chest off the floor. Keep your shoulders relaxed. With exhale, lower yourself back onto the ground. Relax. Repeat this asana for 5 to 7 to 11 times. The third asana will be Paschima Namaskar asana, which is reverse prayer pose. This will be performed with a bit of twist. As we are working towards facial fat and double chin reduction, we need to perform in following way. Sit in Vajrasana and bring both your arms together backward. Now inhaling, lift your head upward. With exhale, lower your head. Again inhale, turn your head towards left. With exhale, turn your head to the normal position. Again inhale, turn your head towards right. With exhale, turn head to normal position. Repeat all these 3 steps at least 5 to 7 to 11 times.
So that's all, guys. These are the 3 yoga asana you could follow along with your day-to-day physical activity, and I'm 100% sure this will give you a good result. Please follow the 21-day rule. Start from today and until 21 days, please do it regularly, and you will see massive change in your facial fat. All right, so now it's time for the tip. So the tip is very simple, it's not very complicated, and I'm not asking you to do anything great. All you need to do is please reduce the intake of salt in your day-to-day food that you are eating. I'm not asking you to completely get rid of salt, but please reduce. If you have habit of eating raw salt, most of us have habit of eating salads, and on that we sprinkle salt. Please stop doing that. Okay, and in your regular food consumption, whatever the salt you are consuming, let's say you are consuming 2 tablespoons of salt, for the entire family I'm talking about, make it to 1.5 teaspoon. That is how you can see, as soon as you reduce salt intake in your body, there will be massive change in your fat loss, and you will feel very light. 21 days, follow this, and the result will be there. All right, so keep exercising. I'll see you soon again with one more interesting tip and useful tip. Until then, be safe, stay healthy, keep exercising, and bye bye.